Google and Apple have recently announced they will pay for female employees to freeze their eggs as part of an employee benefits package. Here with her take is one of 22's most beloved characters, Babe Bennett.
Well, what do you know? Those turtleneck tech tycoons over in Silicon Valley think they know what's best for us gals when it comes to choosing the right time to duplicate our software. Oh, yeah, make it sound so easy. Just wrap up your eggs and save them for later like some kind of breakfast sandwich. Well, I got news for them. This is not eggs over easy we're talking. It's eggs and ovaries. I guess, right off the hop, it sounds like a pretty sweet deal and maybe a generous offer for these Poindexters. But I didn't just fall off the technology turnip truck. If you're trying to make like this caper is for women, you can go climb up your thumb. I know you're just trying to get another 5 or 10 years of us gals working our butts off like Cinderella while our eggs are frozen colder than Walt Disney. But you know how it is with freezers. You always put too much stuff in them, and then the power goes out, and you need to eat all the ice cream and have all the babies right like that, lickety-split. But you can't do it alone, so you invite the neighbors over. Next thing you know, you got a whole block full of kids that look exactly the same. And people keep saying, why is your kid all fuzzy around the edge? Oh, mind your own beeswax, doofus. It's freezer burn. I've got a better idea. How about you fellas put your franks and beans on ice for a while? That way you can quit being so frisky, and maybe your head'll clear and you'll realize this whole thing is bull feathers. I don't mean that. I'm just goofing around, that's all.